I'm full. And you can find out why right now. Hello.
Hello there. So, where are we?
We are at the Silo restaurant in Queensbury, New York.
Okay.
It's famous for their breakfast. We met some friends yesterday at our campground.
Yes, which are
They're over there.
right over there.
So we came here to hang out with them. And they have this new challenge they started called the Big Pig Breakfast Challenge. You eat a bunch of food in 30 minutes. And then you can get your picture on the wall and get a t-shirt. Nobody's ever completed it.
Nobody's ever done it. And then there's a little piggy. Awesome! Yes! So we get to make that noise if you win. Or during your...
Like I said,
while you're doing it.
Ever completed it, but I'm really tired, so I'm a little delirious, and I'm very hungry.
Okay.
So we'll see how this goes.
Yes.
It's going to be a lot of food. I'm really worried about the 4 pieces of toast.
Yes. So this is the wall. It says Wall of Fame. Nobody's done it. I'm hoping to put his face or
That's why I'm looking at all this jelly.
name or something up there.
I almost need to get my
We
jelly
shall
ready
see.
now.
What do you think? Do you think Dad can do it? I think he can.
No, not the grape jelly.
Kira, what do you think? You think Dad can do this? We're rooting for you. Good luck. We're counting on you.
You might be driving home. I might be in the itis coma.
Well, I have a watch, but I can put it on my phone and time it. Do you want any butter at all? There's butter already on the toast.
Is there butter on that?
So what do I get to your right?
And the syrups and the teddy bear.
Okay.
You want some butter for the pancakes?
No.
No?
Nope. That's gonna be extra time. I'm gonna set a timer for myself at 27 minutes.
Okay.
Good luck. We're counting on you.
Thanks. You ready for this? Huh?
I have to get a picture if you don't mind.
Sure.
I'll wait till you take your first bite. We'll start
Party
it.
of 2, Meredith.
Okay.
Yes.
Let you know when it's up, okay? Good luck.
Thank you. I
Hi.
concede. Couldn't do it.
Yeah.
I mean, you look at this and it's like this is 4 times the size of a stomach, maybe more.
Yeah.
I think the only way to really beat this would be if you're like a marathon runner that you just eat, run, and use up the calories. Probably have to go to the bathroom halfway through the challenge.
Yeah.
Then I could see possibly doing it, but yeah, the pancake is just so big.
So now everybody's gonna try to share, and
Look at how thick that pancake is.
that is
That's
so
one.
big.
There's 4 of these.
Yeah. Yeah.
No one has beat the challenge.
Yeah. And you said it's hard because there's not enough syrup.
Yeah, our friends actually,
Chewing it.
Josh and Becky, dropped this off to help, and this is good. This is honestly better than the syrup that they got here.
Yeah.
But
Nice.
yeah,
Yes.
I think 30 minutes may be too short a time. I think this restaurant maybe should go to an hour, and I still think people would struggle with this. But then maybe you might get a few winners. I don't know. But right now they got no pictures on the wall at all. We were just saying maybe they should even do like a picture of all the people that failed with a sad face. Anyway, it was fun. Quality of the food's amazing. Service is amazing. But I'm good.
Thank you, Josh and Becky, for suggesting it. Yes. Nice meeting you guys.
With Curly in the back. Sharing my dad. Sharing my dad in the back. He's like, I'm gonna do that.
Would you like to try this?
We have
You know what it is?
4
Apple
boxes.
cider. It's apple juice. So that was a lot of fun eating, trying to do that challenge. I've always wanted to do a challenge like that. I didn't complete it. I was hoping. I know some people are like, I want to do it so I can get it for free. Yeah, good luck with that. That's probably not going to happen. But the fact that nobody had gotten their face on the wall yet, I was like, hey, I kind of want to try that. I've talked with friends before. I know Jesse from Happy Place Camping and I have talked about going to Amarillo and trying to eat that massive steak in an hour, but that's like $70 or $80. You know, a bit more expensive. Still a fun challenge, but this one was something that was newer. It was $35 to try it. And now I've got enough breakfast to last me almost the entire time that we're still here with leftovers. I got 4 boxes of leftovers out of all that. I do apologize if the audio was a little off. We weren't planning on vlogging at this restaurant. We were planning to go and hang out with our friends, Josh and Becky, who we had just met. The reason we got up early to go do this was Josh and Becky's kids and our kids hit it off really well. And they were like leaving the next day. Both of us had not seen our kids so excited to get up at 6 or 7 in the morning and to actually go out and hang out with their friends. So that was pretty cool. So we wanted to kind of continue that, give them one last chance. The family was telling us about this silo restaurant. They described it as Cracker Barrel on steroids with a massive gift shop. This is a very cool place. It's in Queensbury, New York. We definitely enjoyed it. It was worth it. The kids got to spend more time together. So it was really fun that they got to meet these kids. The downside is that they're not a traveling family. They just live in upstate New York and they come up and stay in these cabins up here by Lake George. And they're homeschooled, and our kids and their kids, it was just such a great match. So we were really glad that they could spend time together. And we're kind of bummed now that as we leave the area, not really sure when we'll be back. By the way, so it's Friday, right before 4th of July. Today is June 30th. I don't know if you can tell. The park's not full yet, but this was maybe 30% occupancy when we got here. We figured that this is gonna be probably the busiest Friday of the year for camping, period. It's pretty nuts around here. Look at all these kids. I know that kid.
Hello, s'mores.
So many people, so many kids. There's a ton of people up here playing with volleyball, maybe some soccer. There's a lot going on. This park is off the chain. Now, this is a Trails Collection Park. It is owned by 1,000 Trails, but they're still able to make enough money doing retail sites as opposed to the 1,000 Trails members coming here. So that's why it's in the Trails Collection, because they're making bank. There's over 500 campsites at this park. And it is worth it. They have stuff going on every day here. Every day. DJs or live music every night. The wagon cart thing that pulls everybody through the campground to wave at everybody. Two rides every night starting at 6:30. They have a shuttle van. I don't know if you can see the van right there. Maybe if I go like that. Yeah, here we go. There's the van. That van will take you into town, the Lake George Village they call it. And it will also, I think it's $10 for a ride. They will take you up the river and drop you off with your tube to tube back down into the park. So much going on here. Such an exciting park. It has been a little bit smoky today. Apparently we've got some more fire coming down from Canada. So it's been kind of a bummer. Hey man, it was Eli that just rode by on his bicycle. Eli and Kyler stopped us last night, told us that they just started watching our videos right before they got to the park and then found out we were here. That was a pretty cool coincidence. They're doing s'mores right behind me right now as like a group effort. The park has actually set this up and offering s'mores to people. It's pretty cool, this road right here. This is pedestrians only past this point. So it's been nice to tell the girls, like, we have no problem with y'all running off in this area. There's no cars over here, so that makes it a little bit better. Oh my goodness, more cars. Oh, bikes everywhere. This is this is an exciting weekend. I can't move my camera around and find any spot to not have people in it. There's people everywhere. Some boy just went by me and popped a wheelie on his dirt bike. There's kids on bikes everywhere. Kira's loving it. Kira is just absolutely soaking it up. New friends every day, having a blast. Kaylin's a little bummed because her friend Evelyn left, and she'd really bonded well with her, and since they're gone, it's a little tougher for her to get back out and make more friends. And here we are right there, and all these other campsites were empty. We knew it was going to be full. This is not unexpected. It's exciting. The air is electric. Now we have to, the tough part is finding things to do that fit into like how we want to do things. Like I don't just want to go out there and be in a massive crowd of people. That's the tough thing for us. We would rather be in places that are less busy. So that puts us in a bit of a pickle. It's probably one of the busiest travel weeks of the year in a very, very popular place. A lot of people in New York like to come here for vacation. Yeah, we're in a bit of a pickle, but that's all right. Kira's having a blast. I think we can get Kaylin re-engaged and get out there and have fun. I think she'll make more friends. Tanya and I want to go and explore. It's from there, you know, we can't do everything because of the cost, but I'm sure we could find something we could all agree upon. I'm kind of interested in, they've got a steamboat that goes out on Lake George and just takes you for a beautiful ride with the mountains all around you. I just don't want to do it while it's so smoky. I'd like to have a clearer day so we can see more. I feel like the guy was riding my bike. All right, so I think we will end the video right there. I just kind of wanted to share this day with you. It was an interesting day for us. I had some funny ideas, but I'm so full right now. And it's 7 o'clock at night. Yeah, it's 7:40 at night right now. And I was eating all that food at 9 in the morning. 10, we'll say 10. I was eating all that food at 10 in the morning. And I'm ridiculously full, and I probably only finished a third of it. I ate pretty much all the meat. It's those pancakes. I took a chunk of one pancake. I'm like, look at this. It's the size of a cheeseburger at McDonald's, and it's just a little piece of pancake. And it was thick. They weren't as light and airy as you would think. They were like, they went all in on those pancakes. I need to go walk around some more, work off the millions of calories that I ate this morning that are still in me, and need to go walk a daisy. So just want to remember that life happens. Even saying goodbye to your friends, don't let that stop you. Stay fresh, cheese bags.